Hello students, in the last lectures I have discussed the GI pathology which is included in your BPA 202 module 6. In continuation of this topic, the next topic or next part of GI pathology is typhoid fever. Typhoid fever is an infectious disease which occurs due to contamination of food and water. It is an infectious feverish disease caused by the bacterium Salmonella typhi or Salmonella paratyphi or Salmonella enterica. The Salmonella species is generally responsible for typhoid and paratyphoid disease. This is actually generalized infection of enteric system. Intestinal surface, which consists of several capillaries and blood vessels, lymphoid tissues, are the main target area for Salmonella species. As this type of bacteria is taken into our body with the help of food or water, GI tract is the main target area for this bacteria. The infection pattern always comes from another human, either an ill person or healthy carrier of the bacterium. The bacterium is passed with the help of water and contaminated food, which can withstand both in dry and refrigerated condition. This is the underlying causes of Salmonella type infection: ingestion of contaminated food or water, contact with an acute case of typhoid fever, and the water molecule is contaminated due to polluted poor sanitation and sewerage system. Also, this disease can occur due to contact with a chronic asymptomatic carrier person. Eating food or drinking beverage which is handled by person carrying the bacteria. This disease is purely due to infection of water or drinking beverage. The other two species, Salmonella enteritis and Salmonella typhimurium, are responsible for food poisoning and diarrhea. If we go through the microbial position and structure of Salmonella species, mainly Salmonella enterica, this is the member of Salmonella, which is rod-shaped, flagellated, aerobic, and gram-negative bacteria. The structural pattern is very much similar to the rod. There is a presence of flagella, which are responsible for anchoring and movement of the bacteria. As this is aerobic bacteria, oxygenated environment is very much useful for living of these bacteria. Lastly, this is gram-negative bacteria. You know that gram-negative bacterium has a special feature. The external surface medium consists of a lipopolysaccharide layer, which is generally toxic in nature. This bacteria has also membrane or adhesive proteins for attachment at the surface of GI tract. The secreted proteins involved in host cell invasion and intracellular proliferation. These bacteria can also infect cattle, poultry, domestic cat, hamster, or etc. Refrigeration and freezing of substantially slow or halt their growth process. Pasteurization and food irradiation can kill Salmonella for commercially produced foodstuffs containing raw eggs such as ice cream. Foods prepared in the home from raw eggs can spread Salmonella if not properly cooked before consumption. This is the overall microbial characteristic feature and overall cause or pattern of infection by Salmonella species. In the next video, I will describe the pathogenesis process of typhoid disorder. Pathogenesis of typhoid is very important for your syllabus. Thank you.